Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
The hash value error appears when Excel finds an invalid value in a formula. This usually means a cell contains text when a number was expected. Errors often come from wrong data types, extra spaces, or imported text from CSV files. Identify which formula shows the error before changing anything else. Identifying the offending cell or formula is your first troubleshooting step. Use the formula bar and evaluate formula tool in Excel 2016 or Excel 365 to inspect. Wrap your formula with IFRA or IFNA to hide hash value and keep results. IFRA formula returns an empty string instead of the error and preserves the original formula for recalculation. For Excel versions that support IFNA, use IFNA to catch only hash and /a errors and not other types. Alternate. Use if ISRA formula to target many errors while controlling the output text. This approach keeps calculations intact while preventing visible error clutter on your sheet. Clean input cells by trimming spaces and converting text numbers to numeric format. Use trim to remove leading and trailing spaces and substitute to remove non-breaking spaces or stray characters. Use value or multiply by 1 to convert text numbers into numeric values for calculations. Validate ranges with data validation rules to prevent wrong data entry in the future. After cleaning, the original formula will recalculate without hash value and preserve expected numeric results across your workbook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.